Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. We are going to look at growing yaon shiso, which is a delicious Japanese herb. You will need a seed tray filled with potting compost and some shiso seeds, which are called green perilla in the UK. You will also need some extra potting compost and some water. First, place 2 or 3 seeds in each plug like this. You don't need to push these seeds into the earth. Now use the extra compost to just cover the seeds like this. Next, give the seeds a good misting of water. Now cover the tray with a sheet of newspaper. The seeds have germinated, so time to put them on. Place 3 or 4 seedlings into small pots of fresh compost. Just take care not to damage the roots. Keep them indoors or in a greenhouse until the leaf system have developed, which should take 3 or 4 weeks. Give the pots a good misting with water daily at this stage. These seedlings have grown well. Now we can plant them outside in a bed or large pot. You can continue to grow shiso under cover as long as they get plenty of light. Shiso is quite a thirsty plant, so keep them well watered. One month later, you can begin to harvest these delicious leaves. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.